Hello, check this out. Just got this Xiaomi Note 5A Redmi. Supposed to be a very cool phone. It's priced very cheaply. You can get it via Gearbest. There is a link in the video description. This is the unboxing and review. Nice specs for the money. Got a Snapdragon 425 quad-core processor, 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of ROM. The rear camera is 13 megapixels, the front is 5 megapixels, the display size is 5.5 inch, Corning Gorilla Glass. This is the global version of the phone. Comes with the charger, the phone itself. First of all, I'm going to charge it. It is very light. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. This is the MT2 benchmark result. As you can see, this phone is almost at the bottom, but then again, look at the price of it. Good value for the money. This isn't a high-end phone, it's a lower-end one. My main phone, by the way, is a Samsung S7. Here are the specs. It is running a few games. This is Clash Royale. Afterward, I'm going to show PUBG. It works great. Great value for the money. If you don't have a lot of money to spend on your cellular phone, this is a great buy. This is PUBG, Battlegrounds for the mobile phone. Let's see it in action. Runs very smoothly. The phone can handle the hard processing. The game begins. You can download, by the way, this game for free. Thanks for watching this video. A link to buy this phone can be seen in the description of the video. Please remember, if you like this video or this product, feel free to like, subscribe, and share this video. Have fun. Bye.